y'all, so I just filmed 2 videos. So if y'all see about 2 or 3 videos that I look the same, because I just did 2 videos the same look. So it is what it is. I had to get what I can get in, filmed, so I can get it uploaded. So I just try to just juggle 2, you know, squeeze 2 in here. But right now I am in my bathroom, getting ready to clean up the bathroom because I just made a mess in here trying to film 2 videos. And we are getting another snowstorm here. So I'm thinking about just going to the grocery store. I am craving some steak, some potatoes. The kids are right here. They're rushing to go to the store. So they're trying to hurry up and get dressed. Kai's little shoes, so cute. Where's your socks? Go get socks. You need socks. You need socks. So yeah, I'm craving some steak. Stop acting like a girl. This one is Cairo. This one is Zion's. Go get your other one. This one's too small. Get the other one like this one. So they have the same shoe. But here's Zion's. Do you need to use the bathroom? I'll be back, y'all. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make me and the boys a nice warm breakfast. I am just going to do some bacon and some waffles and some grits. I'm the only one that really likes grits. They don't really care for the grits. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just make this little quick breakfast. Put the bacon here. I love this new pan that we have. This new skillet we have. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and start breakfast. The boys are chilling out right now. Kai's still half asleep. Zion's still sleeping, and Cairo's up and Jeremiah's up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bacon in, and then go probably bring Cairo in here with me. So just want to get on here and say what's up and start our day with you. See you guys soon. Okay, y'all, so here's the bacon. Zoom out. Okay, y'all, so here's the bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook. And then here are my grits. I'm not gonna do any pancakes today. I'm just gonna do some easy waffles to put in the toaster. And then I'll be back, I guess, once everything is done. And then I'll probably just give them probably a banana chopped up on the side with their breakfast. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash dishes as I go. It's not really a mess in here. Just a few dishes. Nothing too crazy. Just goes in the garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area while that's cooking. The baby actually went to sleep, so that was perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so I just cleaned and wiped out the sink. Have the dishes over here on the side just drying. Before I put them away. So they're over here. Looks messy, but they're all clean and drying. So once they're done, I just bring them here and then put them away. So we have like all our glasses up here that I usually save my Starbucks. Here's the boys' bottles and plastic and stuff like that. Plastic cups or whatever, sippy cups. So yeah, once they finish drying, then I'll put them away. And just here are just wine glasses, and then coffee mugs, bowls, etc. Okay, so I took out their favorite trays, and I'm just gonna lay it out so it's easier for me just to finish cooking. Put the food here, and serve them as it's done. So I'm learning, y'all. I'm trying to get a little more organized. I'm trying to get a little more productive and just organized, basically. So that's up here. The little things that make me happy. Little things. So yeah, guys, you know my baby likes taking cat naps. So I had to go get him and bring him here so he could see me. So he could see me. Yeah. You spoiled butt. You spoiled butt. Yes, you are. Cairo, say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Yeah. Y'all, I burnt my finger. This darn bacon. Can't really see it, but it burns. I'm almost done. So yeah. That's how they is taking his popping ass and move his on that. And turn it down. It popped and burnt me. And this area right here is like so red and soft. So yeah, y'all. So I am just about finished with breakfast. I'm getting ready to make their plates. Feed them. This bacon is popping. Feed them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put Zion and Cairo. Put Cairo back to sleep. I'm gonna feed him. He's getting fussy, so I'm gonna feed him, and then put him back to sleep for his morning nap. Whatever. He sleeps all day, so he's long overdue for his nap. He has a hiccups right now. Yeah. I don't eat this, no. Diane, look at the snow. That's for the tree. Zion, the snow. You see snow?
Oh. Hey, look. Mom, can you make me a snowman?
Huh?
Can you make me a snowman?
I know.
Can you make me a snowman?
Okay, y'all, so I'm cold. I'm getting ready to go back in. But we made a little snowman. I'm gonna show y'all our little snowman. Zion's over it. Guys is having fun, so I'm gonna bring Zion in. Jeremiah took a snack break.